that happen?
He stuck his head through the thing.
He put his head through that backpack by himself?
Oh no, don't get water on my backpack. He got water on my backpack!
He's going to run away or something?
No, he's going to school.
Alright. Cooper, come here. Take that off. Sit. What is that? What happened? Why do you have that backpack? Huh? How did you put that around you?
His tail is wet.
You want to go to school? Saber, move. Do you want to go to school?
No.
Cooper, I'm talking to you. Saber, leave him alone.